Hey guys, welcome back to another AI video, and today we're going to talk about an amazing tool that can transform your blog post into YouTube short videos. So let's dive right in. The name of the tool is Flicky AI. Head over to flicky.ai and from the homepage, click on Start for free. After that, you need to sign in with your Google account, and once you're logged in, you'll end up in this page. And here, as you can see, I have previously made some videos here. To create your new video, all you have to do is click on New File, give it a name, select your language, the dialect, aspect ratio, and from here you can select if you want to start with an empty file or an idea, that is the text prompt, the script, PPT and tweets as well. But we're gonna look at a blog today, so let's just click on it and then click on Submit. So here everything is very simple. All you have to do is just enter the link of your blog post. So let's say I have a blog about machine learning, so I need to make it into a video. So all I have to do is just copy this and then paste it here. After that, you can select the duration of the video. I'll just leave it at 1 minute, and then you can select what kind of stock media you want to use, or you can use AI media to generate your videos. So let's just use that. Select your style. Let's go with digital art, and then I'll click on Submit. Alright, and just like that, our video is ready. Let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see, the AI has done a pretty good job in decoding the blog into this video. On the left side, you can check out all the scenes. And if you want to do any changes, you can do that. You can change the text if you want, or you can delete this scene from here. So everything you see here is customizable. The first tab is your background music. Here the track is selected automatically by it. If you want to change it, you can do that too. Select from a wide range of music collections. You can even add your own songs to the library, or you can generate music as well. But for this, you need to upgrade to the paid plan. Alright, so if you're satisfied with your video, just click on download to save it to the computer. Alright, so here is the final video done by this AI.
Welcome to Machine Learning is Fun. This website is perfect for anyone curious about machine learning but unsure where to start. Whether you're an experienced software developer or new to programming, you'll understand how machine learning works with our resources.
Alright, so now let's create another YouTube short video from a different blog. Head over to the top left and click on Files. After that, click on New File, enter your file name, and then the rest of the settings. For now, I'll head over here and then copy this link. Do the same process, select the duration. This time I'm gonna go with stock media, and that too with videos. After that, just click on Submit. And there you go, our video is ready. So from the left, you can customize everything you want. If you want to change the voiceovers, you can do that too. Just click on any of these tabs. And then from here, the James is automatically selected. But if you want to change it, just click on it and then select what kind of voice you want. And then just click on it and then select Apply to all scenes. Alright, so now as you can see, the voiceovers has been changed to Cora. You can check out the other scenes as well. So for all the scenes, the voice has changed. Alright, so let's download this and then we'll check it out. So here is the final video done by this AI.
Welcome to our AI blog. GPT 3.5 emphasized the importance of legality, advising against creating such a device due to potential severe consequences. Switching to GPT 4.0, it handled the prompt differently, focusing on a novelty device used for fun at events.
Alright, so that's about it for today. That was a quick overview on how you can turn your blog post into YouTube short videos. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next video.